Hey guys, King here and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to be showing y'all a brand new AI tool that y'all can use for Roblox. You can use it for Roblox, but you can also use it for like any other game ever. And this AI allows you to make game icons and thumbnails so much easier without having to pay someone tens of thousands of Robux just to go ahead and get a game icon and thumbnail. So I'm currently in my Roblox game that I made a very long time ago. This game I made like a couple years ago, and yeah, these are some models that I made. I can make models way better than this now. These are like the first ones I ever made, and this is the thumbnail right here. I did make a newer version of the game, which is this brand new one right here, but this one was the original. So this is the icon of the game, and then right here this is the thumbnail, and dang, nearly 1 million visits. That is crazy. So this is the thumbnail, but we are gonna be updating these to make them look so much better because these are pretty outdated. I mean, for the new one is all right, but we also need to make a new thumbnail for it because the icon, it looks good, but for the thumbnail I just reused the same thumbnail and added the new logo. So I'm gonna be showing y'all how to make this so much easier. So what you want to do is go to bing.com/create. So if you go over here, just go ahead and type in bing.com/create, just like that, and then it will bring you to this page. You'll have to like sign in with your Microsoft account. Yeah, just go over to this, and once you're in here, once you sign in, you'll have this little bar at the top where you can type in whatever you want. Also, by the way, you do have tokens over here. You have like 45 tokens to start off with, but these don't limit how much images you can make. These just limit how fast it is. So if you go ahead and read them, you'll have like 45 tokens. I already used like 20 of them. So these tokens allow you to generate images a lot quicker. So if you run out of tokens, you can still make images. It will just take like a little bit longer. So what we can do, we can type in Roblox, find the button. If you use like any other AI tool, and if you type in Roblox, it's not gonna actually pop up with Roblox characters, such as this is like the first AI tool that will actually create images with like games that you want. So if you type in Minecraft, Roblox, it will actually show up with those characters. If you type in Roblox and other AIs, it will just pop up with like cubes and stuff, and it looks nothing like Roblox. So if you go ahead and type in this, let's type in game icon. You don't really need to type in game icon, to be honest, but yeah, so here we go. Let's just type this in, and then it's just gonna take like under a minute to create. Over here on the right, these are some other ones that I did make. So while this one over here is generating, and oh, there it is. So yeah, this one isn't really the best one. Like, you might think it doesn't look too good, which we'll actually go ahead and retype it in. But these are some other ones that I did make right over here. So this one I just typed in Roblox sword, and as you can see, it's like actual Roblox characters. This one I just typed in Roblox UI, and this is not very like high quality. Like, you can't really use this for UI. I mean, you can use it for like reference. So if you look at this, it does look pretty good. So you can use this as like reference and like kind of copy and paste over it. But yeah, already pretty cool. But these are some game icons. So this one right here, Roblox find the button thumbnail, and as you can see, it's actually pretty good. It actually also made an icon like right here, find the button, made a whole logo and stuff. Also not really the best. There are some better ones. This one I just typed in thumbnails. Since I typed in an S at the end, it just created many of them. So yeah, these ones probably wouldn't really use any of these. I mean, you could crop some of them out, but I do have some better ones down here, and these ones, all the prompts got blocked sadly. Then this one is find the button thumbnail. Yeah, this one did turn out very good. But then like these ones right here, these ones all right, but then this one, these ones are actually pretty good. This one is all right. It just needs to like replace the top, because right here it didn't really spell find the button correctly. So all I have to do is like paste my logo over that, and I could actually use that thumbnail. This one is like perfect to use. It's just the background is kind of plain. This one I actually might use. That looks pretty awesome. It actually says Roblox, and this is find the button. The F right there kind of looks like an R, but it still works. It's just the logo is kind of small, but I actually might use that one because it does look pretty good. This one is a logo. It just put like a big button in the middle. I think whenever I type in button, it means like a clothespin button that you would like wear. So yeah, these are some other ones though. Find the button, pretty good. This one I put game thumbnail, and yeah, that didn't turn out too good. This one kind of looks like doors, but yeah, pretty interesting. As you can see, they're like actual Roblox characters though. Then these ones I typed in Roblox find the button YouTube thumbnail, and look at this. This actually looks pretty fire. It has the little thing down there as well, but yeah, that looks awesome. Kind of like gibberish up there at the top left, but still pretty cool. And yeah, these ones, those all look pretty awesome. These ones I tried to recreate my Roblox avatar. You can't paste images in as reference just yet, I believe. So I tried to like very descriptively describe my Roblox avatar, and these are the ones that I came up with. Not really too good. So I feel like if you type in game icon, it's just not very good. I recommend just typing in like the name of it. So you can use this for anything. So whatever your game is, or if you're trying to create it for other games, it's just really good. And these ones actually look pretty cool. It's not really what I'm going for, but like if I were to make an obby, I would probably use some of these. Like this one right here, this looks pretty good for an obby. And yeah, like if I were to make an obby game, I would definitely use this, and I could use this one for an icon. So yeah, so these look look really cool, but they don't really look like they're finding the button. So yeah, I'll try one more time though. And here's some more icons. I think these look pretty good. Out of all these, I would probably use this one. This one is kind of misspelled, but I would probably use this bottom left. But I feel like I would probably rather use this one. Yeah, I think I might use this one for my game right here. So let's just go over to it and then let's download it just like this. And let's also go over here and let's download this one as well. So let's just download this. We're not going to use it as a icon, but we will use it as a thumbnail. So what we can do for that is we can just hop over to Photoshop over here. This is just a random thing. I didn't even create this. And then let's go ahead and click new. And here's the icon right here. So this is just going to be our thumbnail. So what we're going to do, let's just go ahead and grab this. So this is Photoshop beta. You could just type in thumbnail and then like kind of crop it if you don't have Photoshop. But yeah, let's just go ahead and generate this. So this is just going to create the edges because it is kind of small. So yeah, we don't want a square just for the thumbnail. So we're going to be using the other icon for the game icon. And then this is going to be for the thumbnail. I will probably go ahead and type in some more off camera. And all right, that looks pretty weird. The sides do look kind of weird. And okay, that looks even more weird. And okay, that looks pretty decent. All right, not really sure which one. And I think I'm going to go with this one right here. These sides do look kind of weird, but I feel like people won't notice too much. And now we can just go ahead and save this. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go over here to Pixlr. This is where I create all my thumbnails. So yeah, let's go over here. It is free. And I personally don't really know how to use Photoshop too much. So I'm just going to kind of crop it in here. And all right, I think that right there looks pretty good. So let's go ahead and save this now. And now what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and configure this place. And let's just go ahead and change the icon and thumbnail. And here's our brand new icon. That looks really good. That actually kind of looks even better than this one right there. So yeah, this is our brand new icon and our thumbnail, which I don't really think it's going to pop up because it is still going through moderation. But look how cool that is right there. Looks like a brand new game, even though like everything inside the game just looks terrible. And there's the icon. There is. I should probably add a find the button text at the bottom, but pretty cool. But before we end the video, I just want to go ahead and show y'all some other things they can do. So here we go. I typed in Minecraft player fighting the Ender Dragon in diamond armor. And yeah, this doesn't really look too much like the Ender Dragon, but I mean, it is Minecraft. And here we go. This looks pretty good. I typed in Minecraft farming thumbnail. So yeah, it does look pretty good. I don't know why there's a cow, but yeah, that looks pretty accurate. Not really this one, but these top ones looking pretty good. I feel like if you type in thumbnail, no matter what you're creating, even if it's not a thumbnail, it turns out like 10 times better. You can also use this to make like concept images. So if you're trying to make a 3D model, and if you feel like kind of tracing over someone else's model is kind of like stealing, just type in like something. Like I typed in futuristic sword concept view. I kind of expected like multiple views of the sword, so you can like make a 3D model of it. But like this, I could just kind of trace over this and like 3D model it, because if you watch my videos on like how to make a sword, you'll see that we just grab an image from Google and then kind of like make our model on top of that. And you might think it's like stealing or something, so you could just use this instead. Not created by anyone, just created by AI. And then we could just use this to make our sword, and we can just keep typing this in, such as if we're making a Roblox game or just like any game and we need tons of swords, just keep typing and stuff, and then it will eventually pop up. This is also some other stuff, Roblox pet GUI, and then Roblox sword store GUI, and not really what I expected. So you are able to make vectors like this. I do recommend being more detailed whenever you say it. Like I just typed in symbol coin vector and then it popped up with this. I typed in cartoony diamond vector and it came up with this and this. And then I typed in Roblox coin vector and then it came up with this. So I do recommend being more specific with like whatever you're making, because yeah, it's just AI, so it's not really gonna like get really what you're saying. And here's some more vectors. I don't know why, but if you type in cartoony, it just like puts faces on stuff. Either puts faces or like flowers, and I don't know. This one looks pretty alright though. So yeah, if you are planning on using this, make sure you are specific. You don't really have to be too specific for like other things such as game icons. And yeah, that's gonna be all for this video though. So go ahead and leave a like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications, and I'll see you all in the next video.